Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get a job at an Amazon warehouse in Canada. This is a simple guide that you can follow even if this is your first time applying for a job. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. Then go to the website Indeed.com. This is one of the most popular job search websites in Canada. Once you're on the homepage of Indeed, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type in Amazon Warehouse Jobs Canada. Then, in the location field, type your city or province. For example, if you live in Toronto, type Toronto, Ontario. If you're in Vancouver, you can type Vancouver, British Columbia. Click the search button. Now, you will see a list of Amazon warehouse job openings near your area. On the left side of the screen, you will see filters. These help you find the job that fits your schedule. You can filter by job type, such as full-time or part-time. You can also choose shift preferences like day shifts or night shifts. If you're a student, part-time shifts or flexible schedules might work best for you. You can also use other filters like salary range or how recently the job was posted. For example, you can choose to see only jobs posted in the last 7 days. Scroll through the listings and look for job titles like Warehouse Associate, Order Picker, or Fulfillment Center Team Member. When you find a job that looks good, click on it to read more. Now take a moment to read the job description carefully. Pay attention to the duties, physical requirements, pay rate, shift timing, and whether experience is needed. Some jobs are entry-level and perfect for students, while others may require lifting heavier packages or working longer hours. If the job fits your needs, click on the Apply Now button. Some job listings will allow you to apply directly on Indeed using your uploaded resume. Others might redirect you to Amazon's official job site. If that happens, don't worry. Just follow the instructions on the Amazon website. You may need to create an Amazon Jobs account if you don't have one already. Fill out your personal details, upload your resume, and answer a few basic questions. Some positions may require you to complete an online assessment. This usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes and includes basic logic or problem-solving questions. Once you complete your application, you should get a confirmation email. After that, wait to hear back from Amazon. If they're interested, they may contact you for a phone interview or invite you to a hiring event. Keep checking your email and your Indeed profile for updates. If you don't hear back within a week or two, don't get discouraged. You can apply to more listings. Amazon hires regularly and new positions open up often. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for an Amazon warehouse job in Canada using Indeed. It's one of the best job options for students and entry-level workers because of the flexible hours and straightforward application process. Now, if you don't want another tiring job that pays too little, I have good news. I found a secret side hustle that Canadians can do from the comfort of their own home that actually pays big money. You can do this on the side while you keep your job, and it can turn into a full-time income within 1 year if you follow proven strategies. 99% of people don't even know about this side hustle, so you're still early. Click the link in the description and watch the free video that explains how this works.